Adding a new dimension to cancer care. This year, Ascension Via Christi debuted a new device that is helping treat breast and skin cancers, all thanks to 3D printing technology.
For several years, I've gone to a dermatologist with all these little skin cancers, and the one on my nose just didn't heal.
That's how Wilma Hunt ended up at Ascension Via Christi, the 92-year-old taking on radiation therapy with a new twist.
This is the way it went, right over my nose.
That mold is one of the first of its kind at Ascension Via Christi, made from this 3D printer.
To really customize the treatment so that we're getting this optimal dose and coverage to the areas of concern and minimizing dose to the areas that we don't want it to go to.
Each mold designed perfectly for the patient.
It's so convenient for them. They come in for one visit, to have their CT scan done, and they're here for 10 minutes. It's quick and it's easy. And then the computer systems and the printer take over from there.
And it fits like a glove.
The 3D printer has an accuracy down to about 0.5 millimeter, so we can create molds and applicators that will go on the patient that will have no air gaps between the applicator and their skin.
These molds really allow us to help in certain locations to minimize the number of treatments for patients and to maximize our outcomes.
Hunt now an advocate for the new technology.
It was very simple. I didn't feel anything. I'm thrilled that I knew about it and was able to have it done.